do now, you guys, is just drizzle a little bit of gravy on top of these, okay? So I have my gravy that I cooked. Homemade gravy I made, you guys. I just want to drizzle some gravy. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. Don't that look good, you guys? Ooh. So, some nice homemade gravy. All right, there we go. Just a little tinge more. Okay, there we go. Gravy. Ooh. I can't wait to eat. Okay. Okay, you guys. There you have it. Okay. Let's go. She got to get on the spinner. And there you have it. And there you have it. You have some delicious pork fried ribs. This is a pork fried rib recipe, you guys. And I drizzled some homemade gravy on top of it to make it just so delicious. Don't that look delicious, you guys? Try this. See what you think, you guys. See if you like it. I'm sure someone is gonna love them in your household.